What's good, Up Next family? This your boy Up Next. Now coming back with another video. Hey man, say man, look. Today I'm gonna be teaching y'all, I'm gonna be giving y'all information on the towel method and stuff like that. And I'm gonna be teaching y'all like the difference between the towel method, the brush method, and the sponge method. When you're doing the towel method, bro, make sure that you have make sure that your hair is like a little afro. Like you see how I got like a little afro on the side, bro. I know I need a cut, but you see how I got like a little afro on the side, bro? That's how much hair you need basically on the side, bro. You don't want like a huge afro. You don't want like a huge afro and you trying to do the towel method. Like, nah, that's not gonna work. The towel method is for short hair, like a short little afro that you can kind of stick a comb through. Like you can stick a comb through it and it don't stick, but it like, you get what I'm saying. Now the towel method, bro, all you gotta do is get you a towel. Alright, get you a towel, right? Get you any type of towel, bro. Make sure that it's clean, you hear me? Now look, you get you a towel, and some people, they just use the towel. Like, I prefer y'all not to just use the towel. Get you some cream or whatever. Like I said, I don't use no products, bro. For my dreads, I don't use no products. So get you the products that you prefer. Get you some wax, get you some beeswax, whatever product that you use, right? Get you it, put it on a towel, and then you basically just want to go in a circular motion. Now obviously, it's gonna form like little twists in your head, stuff like that. You know, and that's why I say. Now as you see, it's already forming. I done it for like 2 seconds, and it's already forming like a coil or a group of hair. You understand? And that's why I tell y'all, bro, I gotta brush this out. I don't do the towel method. Yeah, I gotta brush that out. But yeah, it's for now. If I would have had product on the hair, if I would have had product on the towel, the twist would have been way better. But for me, I don't prefer y'all to use this towel method, just because of the fact like it's not a good method. And also, like, y'all gotta understand, you're not gonna get dreads like mine from a towel method. You're gonna get way more freeform, way more afro at the bottom and like twist at the top type junk. You know, if you want to get more defined, you go ahead and use your brush. Now if you want to get more defined than that, you go ahead and use your sponge. Now it depends on what side of the sponge you want to use. If y'all want a video on the sponge, just comment down below. Y'all want a sponge video to teach y'all on the sponges and stuff like that, and it's very easy. It's easier with the sponge, so make sure y'all comment y'all want to see a sponge video down below. I'll make sure I supply y'all folks with one year dread update. Now this is a little over 1 year. My hair is a little over 1 year. It's 1 year and 5 months, but the reason, it's like 1 year and 4 months actually, but the reason it don't look like that is because I have at least 2 to 3 months of new growth at the bottom of my hair. You know what I'm saying? So I got like 2 or 3 months of new growth at the bottom of my hair just sitting. With me, I'm probably not even gonna get like another retwist. I'm probably just gonna see, I already got some hair trying to go out on the side. But I'm probably just going to let my dreads form naturally. You understand? My dreads are already defined, so I really don't have to use the towel method, use the sponge. I don't have to use no brush no more. I don't have to use none of that. You know what I'm saying? And I basically, how I started my dreads, just let a stylist, you know what I'm saying, dread my hair up and stuff like that. You know, the first time I did it, bro, I had the African lady do mine up in Atlanta, bro, and yo, I'm telling y'all, know how like I started off with a sponge. Like, it was 2 times where I started the dread process. One time I was like in it, and I only was in it for like a month or 2 months or so. But I had like, okay, so y'all know how y'all got your afro, right? So at first I started off doing the freeform method while I was just doing it with the sponge, right? So then I had the little freeform method. It was going crazy and stuff. They said they wanted to clean it up, whatever. So we went to the African lady and she picked all the freeforms out my hair. And bro, let me tell you, bro, I almost cried, bro. And then another thing was, when she picked it out, like when she retwisted, it was even harder. You know what I'm saying? So I don't like the coil method. I don't like none of that because your dreads be skinny and they be just looking ugly. But bro, if y'all new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for me down below, turn on post notifications. And also, if you haven't, and if you're new to my channel, click on my channel to go view some of my rest of my old videos. Make sure you click the like button right now Follow all my social medias up above. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.